In the art of war, there are different strategies for different terrains. For shallow territories, we must keep our focus light and adaptable. For deep territories, we must be prepared for a heavy commitment. Avoid getting trapped in dead-end territories where retreat is impossible. When faced with multiple paths, choose the one that offers the most options. In challenging territories, defend your position with determination. In dangerous territories, show no signs of weakness or hesitation. Remember, in war, we must adapt our strategies to the terrain we face. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insightful content.